Hello friends, welcome in HVGK Hub, a platform where you can boost up your knowledge with the help of mock series, then video lectures from our professionals. In biology section, yesterday we had discussed part 1 of top MCQs from photosynthesis. Today we will discuss second part of top MCQ from topic photosynthesis. So let's begin. Let's boost up your knowledge. फ्रेंड्स आप अपने आप को एनालाइज कर सकते हैं. आई विल गिव यू 5 seconds फॉर टिक योर आंसर. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द एसिमिलेटरी पावर्स ऑफ प्लांट्स synthesized during light reaction is or are electrons, NADPH and hydrogen ions, ATP or both V and C. What can be the right answer? The right answer is both BAC, NADPH and ATP molecules. Next question is PAP, that is phosphoenol pyruvate, is a primary carbon dioxide acceptor in phosphoenol pyruvate. C2 plants, C4 plants, C3 plants or both A and B? Yes friends, the right answer is C4 plants. In C4 plants, phosphoenol pyruvate first of all accept carbon dioxide. In C4 plants, there is two locations for the photosynthesis. First is mesophyll cells and second one is the Wunderseed cells. Here, Wunderseed cells perform Calvin cycle and mesophyll cells perform fixation of carbon dioxide. This phosphoenol pyruvate accept atmospheric carbon dioxide and convert it into 4 carbon atom oxaloacetic acid, that is C4 acid. That's why cycle is known as C4 cycle. Clear? The next question is PGA as the first carbon dioxide fixation product was discovered in PGA, phosphoglyceric acid or phosphoglycerate, in bryophytes, algae, angiosperms, gymnosperms. Yes friends, take your answer. The right answer is option B, algae. It was discovered by Melvin and Calvin. For this, they utilized radioactive carbon-14 and find that first product is phosphoglyceric acid. Next question is DCMU. DCMU is a algicide or herbicide, dichlorophenyl dimethyl urea. It inhibits photosystem 1, inhibits photosystem 2, destroy chloroplast, inhibits oxidative phosphorylation. So DCMU, what can be the right answer? Right answer is it inhibits photosystem 1. How? In DCMU blocks pheophytin, and when pheophytin is blocked, there is no transfer of electrons and ultimately photosystem 2 accept no electrons and reaction blocks in photosystem 2. Clear? Next, which photosystem is inactivated in red drop? Photosystem 1, photosystem 2, photosystem 1 and 2 or none? Right answer is photosystem 1 is inactivated in red drop. Why? What is red drop? Red drop is a sharp decline in quantum yield at wavelengths greater than 680 nanometer. This was discovered by Robert Emerson. उन्होंने क्या किया था, वो क्लोरेला के ऊपर डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन कर रहे थे, तो उन्होंने क्लोरेला को डिफरेंट वेवलेंथ्स की लाइट प्रोवाइड की थी और क्वांटम यील्ड को चेक कर रहे थे. जब उन्होंने ग्रेटर देन 680 नैनोमीटर की लाइट प्रोवाइड की तो उन्होंने क्या फाइंड किया कि देयर इज शार्प डिक्लाइन इन क्वांटम यील्ड एंड दिस डिक्लाइन इज taking place in the red part of light, so it's known as red drop. Next is a photosynthetic active radiation has the following range of wavelength: 450 to 950 nanometer, 340 to 450 nanometer, 390 to 780 nanometer, 400 to 700 nanometer. photosynthetic active radiations are the radiations in which photosynthesis can be performed easily, and these radiations constitute 50% of total solar radiations, and out of these radiations only 2.5% are utilized by plants for performing photosynthesis. So the right answer is 400 to 700 nanometer, that is option D is the photosynthetic active radiation range. Next question is, linear relationship exists between incident light and rate of carbon dioxide fixation at low light intensity, in dense forest, both A and B, none of these. What can be the right answer? Take your answer. The right answer is both A and B. Next question is, the chemiosmotic hypothesis for generation of ATP during light reaction was explained by, first of all, by Hill, Arnold, Van Nile or P. Michel. It was explained by P. Michel. For this chemiosmotic hypothesis is a mechanism of generation of ATP molecule. In this process क्या रहता है आपका, जैसे ही फोटोलिसिस ऑफ वाटर होती है हाइड्रोजन आइंस रिलीज होते हैं ल्यूमेन ऑफ थाइलाकॉइड में, और ये हाइड्रोजन आइंस जो हैं वो एक्सेप्ट कर लिए जाते हैं NADP reductase to convert NADP into NADPH. This, when NADPH formed, there is release of energy, and released energy activate ATP synthase, and activated ATP synthase enzyme convert ADP and inorganic phosphate into ATP molecule, and this process is known as chemiosmotic hypothesis, that is generation of ATP molecule. Next question is, site of carbon dioxide fixation during the Hatch and Slack cycle is vascular bundle, mesophyll cells, Wonder seed cells और stroma. ये क्वेश्चन अभी भी पीछे हमने डिस्कस भी किया. The right answer is mesophyll cells. Next, the enzyme responsible for carboxylation reaction in Calvin cycle is RUBP oxygenase, PAP carboxylase, RUBP carboxylase और PAP decarboxylase. तो रिएक्शन के क्वेश्चन में ही आपका आंसर है कार्बोक्सिलेशन, मीन्स फिक्सेशन ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. इट वाज डन बाय एंजाइम RUBP carboxylase in Calvin cycle. As in Calvin cycle there are 4 steps: carbon fixation, reduction phase, carbohydrate formation and regeneration phase. During carbon fixation, RUBP carboxylase fix carbon dioxide with RUBP and forms 2 molecules of 3-phosphoglyceric acid. Clear? Next is chlorophyll A molecule at its carbon 3 of the pyrrole ring has one of the following: methyl group, aldehyde group, carboxylic group, magnesium. The right answer is methyl group. Chlorophyll molecule at its carbon 3 of the pyrrole ring has a methyl group. अगर हम chlorophyll molecule की structure की बात करें, it consists of 2 parts. First, porphyrin system and second, phytol tail. Porphyrin system consists of 4 pyrrole rings which are joined together with the help of methane groups, and a phytol tail of 20 carbon long hydrocarbon chain. This is structure of chlorophyll. Next question is, photosynthetic enhancement with flashing light was first observed by Hill and Kelvin, Hatch and Slack, Vention and Kelvin, Emerson and Arnold. The right answer can be Emerson and Arnold, the option. Emerson, this effect is also known as Emerson enhancement effect and it was discovered by Robert Emerson in 1950. इन्होंने क्या किया था, शॉर्ट वेवलेंथ की लाइट को लॉन्गर वेवलेंथ की लाइट के साथ प्रोवाइड करवाया और देखा कि क्वांटम यील्ड जो है वो काफ़ी, फोटोसिंथेसिस रेस जो है वो काफ़ी हाई हो जाता है. कॉम्बो रेट अगर कंपेयर किया जाए इनके इंडिविजुअल रेट के सम के साथ, तो वो काफ़ी हायर रहा एज कम्पेयर टू देयर सम ऑफ देयर इंडिविजुअल रेट. अगर हम दोनों लाइट को इंडिविजुअली प्रोवाइड करवा रहे हैं और उसका रेट देख रहे हैं, उसको सम कर रहे हैं, तो वो रेट और इन दोनों को कॉम्बिनेशन में प्रोवाइड करवा रहे हैं और वो रेट, तो कॉम्बो रेट जो वो काफ़ी हाई देखा गया एज कम्पेयर टू देयर सम ऑफ देयर इंडिविजुअल रेट्स. So this synergism or enhancement is known as Emerson enhancement effect and is given by Emerson and Arnold. Next question is, which is an electron carrier common to both photosynthesis and respiration? It's the most important question. Common electron carrier in photosynthesis and respiration. Is it cytochrome, pheophytin, plastocyanin, ferredoxin? The right answer will be cytochrome. Cytochrome is a common electron carrier found in both photosynthesis and respiration. Next question is, which of the following is not a product of light reaction? Oxygen, NADPH, ATP, NADH. Take your answer. The right answer is option D, NADH. In light reaction, there is formation of ATP molecule, NADPH reducing power, oxygen molecule. Clear? Next question is, carbon dioxide concentrating mechanism is found in CAM plants, C3 plants, both A and B और C4 plants. सेम क्वेश्चन हमने लास्ट डे भी डिस्कस किया था. क्वेश्चंस की लैंग्वेज थोड़ी सी चेंज हो गई है, क्वेश्चन वही है, आंसर भी सेम ही है. It's C4 plants. C4 plants have capacity to perform photosynthesis in very low concentration of carbon dioxide. Why C4 plants are that much efficient? Due to the presence of PAP carboxylase enzyme. PAP carboxylase enzyme has high affinity to carbon dioxide. That's why C4 plants can concentrate carbon dioxide at their much low concentration. I think this is clear. Thank you. For any query or doubt, comment in comment box. Thank you.